Life insurance is an important financial asset. Why take the time to review it? Well, people are living longer, so the cost of life insurance has actually decreased. A review of your current coverage may result in substantial savings or an increase in coverage for the same dollar amount. Your circumstances may have changed as a result of marriage, divorce, a new baby, a death, a new job, job loss, new debt, or an inheritance. Discounts may have changed. You may also be eligible for non-smoker discounts and discounts for being exceptionally healthy. If structured properly, life insurance can accumulate money on a tax-favored basis, protects assets from creditors, as well as provides both income and tax-free estate benefits. Life insurance can also help you create an estate. It allows you to provide financial resources to your children and grandchildren. Life insurance avoids probate, and that means that more of the money goes to your family instead of courts and attorneys. You may have some life insurance benefits provided at work. Keep in mind that it typically ends when you leave the company. To take advantage of a complimentary life insurance review, please contact us.